Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you a day in my life in London. First, coffee, then for a wander around the city. Back home now and going to make some blueberry muffins. I'm going to try it out in the air fryer to see how that goes. I think they turned out pretty good. I'm actually going to use a frozen fruit mix. So here's the before and the after. They were actually really delicious. Now I'm gonna just chill, do my nails. I've decided to do purple and use some nail stickers, which I think are really cute. So I'm trying to do a springtime vibe with the purple, and I think it will turn out really cute. I love this colour, and here's the final result with the stickers. I think it turned out really cute. So now it's time to do a meal prep. I'm just trying to reset for the week, and I'm making some cashew cream that I can just add to my sauces such as lasagna when I make it. I follow a plant-based diet, so I find that really delicious. And I'm also going to make some ginger, lemon and orange shots and some crispy chickpeas for the week. So I just added some Lebanese spice to give them a little bit of flavour, and I'm going to crisp them up in the air fryer. So all done with my meal prepping, and everything's in its containers. So now that's all done, I'm off out to watch a show by the river. I didn't film inside, but I wanted to take you along to show you the pretty views. So I'm ending with pretty golden hour light from my evening out. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'm back home for dinner now. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.